The Congress clearly saying that those who are responsible for these three deaths must be brought to book. Number of lapses also have come to the fore with regards to this incident. Number of lapses on the parts of the MCD as well. Will the officials of the MCD take responsibility? Will the accountability be fixed? These are the questions that need to be answered. And my colleague Tanushka now joins us on the broadcast. She is outside Delhi Mayor's house. She's been trying to get a response from the Delhi Mayor so far. We do understand, Tanushka, you've been trying to tail the Delhi Mayor since day long. Has there been any response? What is happening there? We see some kind of protest is also happening behind you.
Exactly, Kitty. Right now I'm outside Shelly Oberoi, Delhi Mayor's house, wherein ABVP is, carrying out a protest here, and they're trying to, paint the photo here, the gate that's here, black. They're trying to paint Shelly Oberoi's face black here. This is how they're protesting here. As you can see, the crowd and the protesters have turned quite violent, and the situation here is intensified. There's more black paint here that is being thrown at Shelly Oberoi's face here. They are here protesting against the fact that, three students, UPSC aspirants, have lost their lives in this accident that happened last night. And this, of course, is an unfortunate tragedy here. And as you can see, the police is also going towards the protesters here. The ABVP members here have turned quite hostile, and they're now sitting down on a dharna. The protest until now was quite peaceful, however now it's suddenly turned hostile, and they are protesting here, and their demands are, of course, to ask questions to the MCD as well as the Delhi Mayor as to, what is the accountability, what is the action that will be taken now. 3 lives have been lost in this accident in this manner, and this was an accident that could have been avoided. This was an accident out of negligence. The fact that this coaching center out here did not have the permissions or the NOC to have a library functioning out of its basement. They only had permission for the basement area to have a storage or a washroom or a parking space. However, the library was there in the basement, and this is what they're protesting for. That even the fact that, as you can see out here, my camera person is showing you how the protesters, the ABVP people, are trying to get past to the gate inside where Shelly Oberoi lives, and one person has climbed the gate, as you can see, my camera person is showing you, and he's climbed up to paint the face of Delhi Mayor Shelly Oberoi black. These are the dramatic visuals that we have here. Police personnel is also climbing up onto the gates, and there we have the Mayor of Delhi, her face being painted black on the photograph on the board wherein she lives. This is right at the entrance where Delhi Mayor Shelly Oberoi lives. This man has quite, gone up there quite instantly, in fact, and done this as quite an impulse, and now he's coming down. The police were trying to manage the situation here, but clearly it got out of hand. These are angry ABVP members here who are protesting against what has happened in the case of these UPSC aspirants losing their lives and they're also, of course, asking for the Aam Aadmi Party and the Kejriwal government to resign and to get. As you can see, the protesters here have turned very violent, and these are the dramatic visuals that I have for you here from the protest site right outside Delhi Mayor Shelly Oberoi's house. The police is detaining these ABVP members right now. There's also a lathi charge that has just started. Delhi police forces have also started on with a lathi charge here. The scenes are getting really, really dramatic and intensified here, and on this side there are ABVP members who are trying to fight with the Delhi police, while on the other side there are members were trying to get past the gate. As you can see just now, the paramilitary forces also, paramilitary women forces have also come down here to the side to manage the situation. Clearly, the situation has become unmanageable now. These protesters here are protesting against, remember, the 3 people who died yesterday after, drowning and getting electrocuted in the basement of the coaching center. The basement was completely inundated, and the visuals here that you have is of like a stampede-like situation. A lot of these members have fallen. There's lathi charge that has gone, broken out by the police forces. A woman is also being tackled by the police forces here. As you can see, the scenes here are very, very tough and violent here. The crowd has gone hostile. These are the protesters here, and these scenes are very, very intense here right now. The environment here is that of hostility, and these are
Tanushka,
very
we can see
angry
these visuals
ABVP
that you're bringing
workers
to us, quite dramatic visuals
Right.
that you're bringing here. Well, we do understand the police officials also who've been trying to contain the situation. They are finding it really difficult to manage it at the moment. But yes, the lathi charge also started just a while back. Can you tell us, Tanushka, where is the Delhi mayor at the moment? Is she at her home? We do understand these protests are taking place right outside her house, but she's spoken to the media also, one of the agencies, long time back. But you've been trying to get a response. Other media channels also have been trying to get a response. She's not speaking directly to them. Where is she at the moment?
Exactly. That's what the case is, Kitty. NDTV has been, as well as through her other, official contacts. However, she has not been responsive. Earlier in the day, yes, she did, bring out a statement in which she said that necessary action will be taken, strict action will be taken against those who are responsible behind this massive mishap. And last night, when she was present at the accident spot in Rajendra Nagar, she also said that those, even if it is MCD to be held up or to be held accountable for this mishap, they will be held up. But today, Delhi Mayor Shelly Oberoi has been quite missing in action. Even when I tried to track her down at the Civic Center, NDTV was not allowed to, approach her or get in touch with her. So this is what has been the scene today with respect to the MCD as well as the Delhi Mayor. We're not sure right now whether she is at her residence or whether she is still at the Civic Center or somewhere else. But right now, the scenes that we have from right outside her house is her face being painted black right outside her house at the gate and at the board that leads up to her house. Delhi Mayor Shelly Oberoi has a lot of questions to answer. Media personnel, NDTV has also been trying to reach out to her with respect to, who is to take accountability for this. It is the MCD that is responsible for getting this water out and, making situations such that it's not, inundated in this manner. The people there, the students there also mentioned that this happens every year. And MCD officials, they've been ignorant of that area. Such sort of waterlogging, they said that it happens every year. And there's lack of desilting in the area as well.
Absolutely,
so
Tanushka. Let
us also try and get
these people or the students.
let us also try and get talking to someone here. आप हमें अपना नाम बताएं and tell us what is your main agenda here for today.
नमस्ते, मैं अपराजिता दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय छात्र संघ की सचिव हूँ. यहाँ पे हमारा एजेंडा यही था कि शैली ओबरॉय हमारी आवाज सुने, पर शैली ओबरॉय के कानों में जू नहीं गूंज रहे हैं. यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स मर रहे हैं, उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, और वो मर नहीं रहे, वो मर्डर है एमसीडी के द्वारा.
आपके हिसाब से ये जो हुआ है, अब इसके आगे क्या डिमांड है?
ये सारी चीजें 6 महीने पहले भी जब मुखर्जी नगर में आग लगी थी तब भी हुआ था. 3 दिन पहले जब एक स्टूडेंट मरा था इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक से तब भी हुआ था. कल भी हुआ है, पर फिर भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. और जब तक कि वो सुनेंगे नहीं हमारी मांगे, तब तक कि हम लोग यहीं पे रहेंगे.
That's what we understand here from a very emotional and sentimental protester here is that they, unless and until, you know, Shelly Oberoi comes out here and listens to their demands, which is definitely of that, you know, what went wrong and why is it that, you know, nobody has been, you know, taken charge of this situation. How is it that, you know, in such a popular coaching center, so much water flows into the basement and 3 lives are also lost. Let us also try and get talking to some other people here. आप हमें अपना नाम बताएं।
मैं हर्ष अत्री, स्टेट सेक्रेटरी एबीपी दिल्ली। हम यहाँ शैली ओबरॉय जी के पास, शैली ओबरॉय जी के घर के बाहर प्रदर्शन करने आए थे। जो खूनी एमसीडी है, हत्यारी दिल्ली सरकार है, इसके खिलाफ करने आए थे। हमें पता था इनका नेक्सस बहुत बड़ा है, पर आज उस नेक्सस में दिल्ली पुलिस भी है, हमें पता चल गया है। खुद ऐसे अधिकारी जो खुद उन परीक्षाओं को पार करके आ रहे हैं, खुद संघर्ष करके आ रहे हैं, जिन्हें मालूम है यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट का क्या संघर्ष होता है, वो आज जब हम आवाज उठा रहे हैं तो हमारे ऊपर लाठीचार्ज कर रहे हैं।
There's a lot of anger in the youth as well as the ABVP workers now who've gathered here, who are demanding justice, who are demanding an answer from the Delhi mayor as well.